National Weather Service in Lubbock, Texas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Floyd County in northwestern Texas, Motley County in northwestern Texas, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles north of Doherty, or 14 miles west of Matador, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Matador, Doherty, Philomath, and Northfield. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northwestern Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.